So I'm going to talk you through all the parts of the bush box for you now. So on the top here we have our camping stove, and that's just clicked on so that it's always all together. It's connected to our gas at the moment. And so we can just set that up. So you've actually got your stove just right on top here and all your equipment underneath. So it's so convenient, so easy to use. On the side we've also got we've got some chain, so that we've got our paper towel attachment. You can also have your bin liners or whatever you might want to have there. Now at the front here we've got our kind of like our door to the bush box. So I'll just open that up now. We've got this attached here, so we just pull this. Pull this down. Now this is like our working station, and so you can actually just cut straight onto here like a chopping board, but we've also got some lightweight chopping boards in here as well. So usually when I'm doing any chopping, just set that up with the chopping board. Now at the top here we've got our drawers, and here we've got like all of our cooking utensils, spatulas, spoons, we've got our can opener, everything that we might need there. And in the second drawer we've got all of our cutlery, got some alfoil, you can also have Glad wrap and things like that in there. And we've got this kit set up for 4 people. So all of that is right there, all your kind of utensils and cutlery there. And then in this drawer we've got all of our kind of must-haves for any cooking, or more like just making a cup of tea. So we've got like Milo and our tea bags. We've got some salt and pepper too, all of those kind of things that it's just handy to always have in the camp kitchen. You might even actually forget it, things like oil as well. And then lastly we've got more of our kind of cleaning stuff in there. We've got our detergent, we've got some hand sanitizer, even some laundry powder for those longer camping trips. We've got matches, and of course we've got some insect repellent, which is a must-have when you're out in the bush or doing outdoor stuff. Now on the bottom here we've got a storage of kind of our bigger equipment. So on one side we've got cups, again like I said, this is set up for 4 people, but you can obviously fit more in there if you need to. And then we've got our plates and our bowls there as well. That's all kind of tucked away in there. We've got our camping toaster, of course, which goes onto the stove there. So all of that's set up. I'm going to move those across just to make sure you see. And then in here we've got our fry pan, and we've got an attachable handle which we keep in the utensils area. And we've got a pot, and then we've also got our kettle as well, and you can even put that one onto the fire. We've also got, of course, all of our tea towels and everything in there. So that's basically the bush box camp kitchen. So if you want to get your hands on one of these bush box camp kitchens, get in touch with us, send us a message, get your name on the waiting list and get your order in.